Hello, namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video of mine, I have just shared an experience that some commands I was not able to run on my AWS CLI version 1. You can see in the previous video that is containing the update time to live in enabling time to live in DynamoDB. So that command, when we want to update the time to live column, it was not working well, and it was saying that invalid choice. Okay, so in that case I need to update my AWS CLI version 1 to 2. So that could be many cases where you want to update your CLI version 2, or if you want to install your CLI version 2. So this video will be containing both, that the installing and updating your CLI versions, AWS CLI version. So you are watching Smarty Tech Viz. I am Anjali here to help you. So let's check out it. So you can see that is the documentation given by the AWS itself, that how you can install this AWS CLI version. We will be doing it on our Linux system, so that is the CLI version for the Linux. So what is happening actually is, you can see I'm currently on the AWS version of 1.11. So it is a CLI version 1, and I need to update it to CLI version 2. So what is the important thing that is mentioned in the document, that you can see, if you let's say if you update the version 1 to version 2, or if you having the both the versions, so that in that case, if AWS CLI version 1 and 2 use the same AWS command, if you previously installed, you can see that you do one of the flowing to use CLI version 2. If you have both the versions, what you can do is, recommended one is just uninstall the version 1 and use only the AWS CLI version 2. I'm not having both the version, but still I will be go with that I will uninstall the AWS CLI version 1 and I will install the AWS CLI version 2. So there is a command given for installing the CLI version 2. The firstly, I will be uninstalling the AWS CLI version 2. So this will help you to learn to how to uninstall the AWS CLI version 1. You can use the same command that is given for the CLI version 2 for uninstalling. I am just using the same commands for uninstalling my CLI version 1. Okay, so let's see if it is working. So first command is which AWS. So let's print it. It is giving user bin AWS. Now the second command, we will copy it and see what is going in there. Mine is not the local bin, it should be user bin AWS. So let's correct the path. Okay, so it is user bin AWS. So now I need to delete the AWS and AWS completer. So we'll be removing these symlinks. I'm just copying all the steps given in the documentation and just performing all the steps in my command prompt in my terminal. Now uninstallation is done. Now we will install the AWS CLI version 2, and you can see the various commands given here. So let's copy it one by one and do the same. I have already done with the curl command that is given here, and then unzip AWS CLI version 2.zip, which we have downloaded through curl command. So this will install all the files that needed for installation. Okay, so and there are too many files in it. Now next is sudo AWS install. We just run this install command. So you can now run, you can see that it is done. And next I will be just it will just do that. The main program will be symbolically linked to my AWS CLI. So it is linked now, and you can see that it is showing that update flag. Just I am going to run it with the update flag. Maybe you will not get that, but still I am just running it. So let's see the which is the version I am on it. Let's verify it. AWS version. You can see now it is 2.022. Now that means we are on the current version that we needed to install. It is on CLive version 2. Was facing issue for the DynamoDB. Just wanted to check for the DynamoDB also. So let's see. It is 2.022 and it is on the connect version. Actually you see that I have firstly uninstalled it, and then I installed the CLive version 2 on Linux. That is because I was actually not aware that it having a update command. So you can even do that without uninstalling or installing again. You can go to the again to the update the CLive version 2 on Linux and just run two commands which is given here. This is firstly curl command that we also did it in while installing it, and then unzip AWS CLive version 2 command. So this will download the CLive version 2 installers, and after getting that which AWS we just need to update the symlink because it should be updated. Just wanted to point out which CLive version we want to use. Now again we need to just construct the install command with the update parameter as we have done it also. However, I have was installing, but still I have done with the update parameter. You can see that. Next, the confirm the installation. Next, just check the AWS hyphen version and check if you are on the current version or not. So I have explained all the three commands, that is uninstalling, installing and updating. You can go with either way, either uninstall and install, or either simply go with the updating the CLive version 2. That will be more easier for you. But if you have both the version, just don't forget to update the symlink to the CLive version 2. Okay, or you can do it, just uninstall the CLive version 1 and then you will be able to use CLive version 2. So this is all about this today's topic. If you have any feedback or comment, just comment below. If you like this video, just thumbs up, and if you don't like it, then you can even dislike it, no issues. But still if you like my videos, just don't forget to subscribe. So thank you so much, take care, bye bye.